Did you know that the secret to a happier, more efficient home might be hiding in your kitchen drawer or sitting unused in your closet? Imagine transforming your daily routines, solving stubborn problems, and making your living space shine, all with simple tricks you never knew existed. Welcome to the world of home hacks, where ordinary objects become extraordinary solutions, and life runs just a little bit smoother. Have you ever struggled to keep your house smelling fresh? Or found yourself constantly losing socks in the laundry? Maybe you're tired of streaky windows, tangled cords, or that junk drawer overflowing with odds and ends. If you've ever wished there was an easier way, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 genius home tips and life hacks that promise to make your home life not just easier, but more enjoyable. These aren't just random tricks. They're tried and true solutions that save time, cut stress, and help you reclaim your space. Let's start with something everyone faces: that stubborn smell lingering in your fridge. No matter how much you clean, sometimes odors just won't budge. But did you know that a simple bowl of baking soda can absorb those unwanted scents? Just place it on a shelf and let it work its magic. For an extra boost, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the baking soda. Suddenly, every time you open the door, you're greeted with a fresh, inviting aroma instead of yesterday's leftovers. Now picture this. You're about to start cooking, but your cutting board keeps slipping on the countertop. It's frustrating and dangerous. Here's a trick. Dampen a paper towel or a thin dishcloth and place it under the board. Instantly, you have a stable surface, no matter how much you chop or slice. It's a simple fix that professional chefs swear by, and it'll keep your fingers safe and your prep work stress-free. Let's talk about laundry, specifically those pairs of socks that go into the wash together and come out alone. Where do they go? No one knows, but here's how to keep them together. Use a mesh laundry bag. Before tossing your socks in the machine, zip them into the bag. Problem solved. No more mismatched pairs piling up, and your mornings just got a little less hectic. Moving on to sparkling windows. Who doesn't want a streak-free shine? Here's a secret. Skip the paper towels and use old newspapers instead. The paper's unique texture polishes glass without leaving fibers or streaks behind. Simply spray your favorite cleaner, wipe with newspaper, and watch your windows transform from dull to dazzling. But what about those cluttered drawers? The ones filled with pens, batteries, and random gadgets? It can be overwhelming to tackle the mess, but here's a hack. Use small boxes or silicone muffin cups as dividers. Suddenly, everything has its place, and you can find what you need in seconds. It's a simple step that brings order to chaos, helping you reclaim your space and your peace of mind. Ever wrestle with tangled cords behind your TV or under your desk? It seems like no matter how often you organize them, they always end up in a knot. Here's a game changer. Save those bread bag clips and use them to label and separate your cords. Just write the device name on each clip and snap it onto the corresponding cord. Now, when you need to unplug something, you know exactly what you're reaching for. No more guessing or untangling. Now, let's tackle a challenge in the bathroom: keeping your shower curtain mildew-free. It's a common problem, especially in humid spaces. The solution? After every shower, spread the curtain out completely instead of bunching it up. This allows air to circulate and moisture to evaporate, preventing mildew from taking hold. For an extra boost, spray the curtain with a solution of equal parts vinegar and water once a week. Your bathroom will stay fresher, longer. Here's a kitchen hack that'll blow your mind: peeling garlic. If you dread separating those sticky cloves, try this trick. Place the garlic bulb in a jar, screw on the lid, and shake vigorously for a few seconds. When you open the jar, you'll find the skins have separated from the cloves, making it easy to pick them out. It's fast, fun, and your fingers stay clean and odor-free. Have you noticed your wooden furniture looking a little lackluster? Don't rush out for expensive polishes. Just mix equal parts olive oil and vinegar, dip a soft cloth in the mixture, and gently rub it onto the wood. The vinegar cleanses while the oil nourishes, leaving your furniture gleaming and refreshed. It's an all-natural solution that's safe for your family and the environment. Lastly, let's solve a problem that plagues everyone at some point: a clogged drain. Instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, Try this eco-friendly solution. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of white vinegar. Wait 10 minutes, then flush with boiling water. The fizzing action breaks up the clog, and your pipes stay chemical-free. It's a simple fix that's gentle on your plumbing and the planet. So what's the key to making these hacks part of your daily life? Start small. Pick one or two to try today. Notice the difference they make, and let that inspire you to explore more. Remember, a happy home isn't about having the latest gadgets or the fanciest decor. It's about finding smart, sustainable ways to make life easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable. You don't need a big budget or endless free time to transform your space. With a little creativity and these 10 home hacks, you'll find yourself saving time, reducing stress, and enjoying your home more than ever before. Whether it's stopping odors in their tracks, keeping your socks together, or giving your furniture new life, these small changes add up to something big. A home that works for you, not against you. So next time you're facing a household challenge, remember, there's almost always a clever solution waiting to be discovered. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and let your home become a place of comfort, efficiency, and joy. And if you're hungry for even more tips and tricks, stay tuned, because your journey to a better home is just beginning.